Welcome to A Moment with Rukwaru. It's very important for us to be very careful about the way we conduct ourselves in social arena, the way we conduct ourselves, the way we talk to other people, the way we behave around other people, the way we behave among our colleagues, the way we behave at home, the way we behave in hotels, the way we behave in our place of work. It's very important. Now, I'm going to talk on the issue of privacy. It's very important to value people's privacy. It's bad to eavesdrop. Let's say in the office, and somebody is making a call, and you simply want to listen to the details of the conversation. It is very bad manners. Please don't eavesdrop when it comes to telephone conversation. Don't eavesdrop. And it is also good manners, even if you're in somebody's office and that person has got a call, it is always courteous, you excuse yourself, you go and wait so that the person finishes with the call and then you can get in. Please respect privacy. And also the aspect of privacy also. It's important even if in public offices you are going to see somebody or you are done an appointment, but then when you go there, the person whom you are to see is not there, you just meet the secretary. It is wrong for you to make yourself comfortable in his office. Never get into someone's office and sit there when the person is not there. It is bad manners. You have to wait until that person comes in and then welcome you to the office. It's also not right for you to read other people's messages. It's not right. And another scenario, it comes now, for example, in terms of photo. Somebody is showing you a photo in his or her phone. And then after you have shown only that photo, you want to scroll and see other photographs. That is very bad behavior. Never scroll anybody's telephone, anybody's phone. Once he shows you that photo, please be satisfied. Don't scroll other phone. Otherwise, what is your interest? And finally, there is the aspect of being mindful when it comes to noise. Please don't disturb people in the office. Please don't make a lot of noise. Don't be shouting. Don't be making unnecessary noise, unnecessary, as if you make an office as if it is a marketplace. It is important for you to be careful, both in the office and not even in the office, even in the hotel, and even in public places, and even at home. Always be careful. Because, for example, if you have been invited by somebody in a home, a friend has invited you, why should you keep on putting your playing music at the top of your voice when it is the time for people to sleep? Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. It's Mutea Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you. For those who have not subscribed, I would encourage you to do so that you get more knowledge. Knowledge is power. Thank you.